Hello everyone! Welcome to Cook with Ms. Zhang. Let's make a refreshing cucumber salad. And I will show you two types of cucumbers. Starting with the English cucumber. First, cut off the head and the tail. Then slice it in half lengthwise. To reduce the water content, use a spoon to scrape out the seeds from the center. Now peel the skin. This helps the marinade absorb better and adds more flavor to each bite. Use the back of the knife to pat and crack the cucumber. Then cut them to the bite sizes. Sprinkle salt over the cucumber. This helps draw out excess moisture and makes the cucumber extra crunchy. Toss to ensure the salt is evenly coated on the cucumber bites. Next, let's add flavor our salad. Add a full tablespoon of finely minced garlic. Garlic adds bold flavor and blends beautifully with the vinegar and soy sauce. Sesame oil, and just a bit of sugar to balance it all out. If you like it spicy, go ahead and add chili oil. Then toss gently to make sure all the pieces are evenly coated. Now let's prepare the Persian cucumber. This skin of this cucumber is much thinner, so I usually don't peel it. Instead, I use the back of my knife to crack it. Crack one side, turn it, and crack the other. This helps open up the cucumber for more texture and flavor absorption. Once it's nicely cracked, cut it diagonally into long, rustic pieces. Just like we did it with English cucumber. Sprinkle salt on it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. "15 minutes later. Let's check out the juice it released. Pour that out into a small bowl. This step keeps the final salad from becoming too watery when we add the rest of it. Now repeat the same marinade. First a full tablespoon of garlic, then black vinegar. It gives a deep, tangy flavor. Sesame oil, a splash of soy sauce, a bit of sugar. I like it spicy, so I'll add some chili oil again, but feel free to skip that if you prefer a milder version. Toss everything together to make sure it's well mixed. You can serve the salad right away, or chill it in the fridge for a bit to make it even more refreshing. Enjoy your crunchy, flavorful cucumber salad, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.